Welcome to Narmada Study Point. Today I have a teaching on the topic reported speech. A reported speech is divided into two parts. One is direct speech and another is indirect speech. It is also very vital topic like voice change or other aspects of English grammar for all types of learners, as it is connected with their courses. Apart from this, you should learn phrases, tenses, idioms, vocabulary, parts of speech, English version newspapers, stories, novels, biography, autobiography to enhance your knowledge in English language so that you can get better spoken and written smoothly. For this chapter, reported speech, I have made a plan by dividing this into four parts or four videos like part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4 according to tense with sentence structure to get it easy. So I suggest all to learn or watch all these videos as they have the magics due to tricks and formulas to remember it easily and to solve the questions when we change from direct speech to indirect speech. Students, let's learn what is reported speech. Reported speech is divided into two parts. One is direct speech, another is indirect speech. Before changing the sentences from one form to another form, means direct speech to indirect speech, we should know first what is direct speech and what is indirect speech. Okay, so see here is given what is direct speech. Here are given 2 points just below the question to understand about direct speech. Okay, number 1 point, reporting exactly what someone says is called direct speech. Number 2 point has said here, as it is kept within the inverted comma, it can be called quoted speech. So see here the question. In direct speech, Akash said, I play cricket. So this sentence has been divided into what, two parts. One is reporting verb, Akash said, and another is I play cricket, reported speech. Okay, means which words or sentence is remained in inverted comma, this part is called reported speech. Okay, so it is understood, okay, for us to recognize the sentence, which sentence we can find in direct speech and which sentence we can find in indirect speech. Okay, you see here number 2 question, what is indirect speech? 2 points are given to know about what indirect speech. Number 1 point has said here, indirect speech is otherwise known as a reported speech. Number 2 point, it is not enclosed within quotation marks or inverted comma. So see here the answer or in indirect speech, okay, after changing the sentence. Akash said that he played cricket. It was converted from direct speech, okay, to be the indirect speech. Okay, so when we change, we should know about the speaker and the listener. Okay, so here is not given listener, here is given only what, the speaker. So this pronoun is used for the speaker. Okay, due to Akash, here is given in place of I, he. Okay, that is used in place of comma. Okay, or when we change, when we arrange both of the sentences, okay, into one, at that time that is used as the conjunction. Then Akash said means the reporting verb will be unchanged. Akash said that and inverted comma will be removed. Okay, so then we should find out the tense form. So if we find subject plus verb 1, then it will be converted into subject plus verb 2 according to reporting verb. Okay, so here is the answer. Akash said that he played cricket in indirect speech. Okay, the students, here is given an example for you. Okay, before changing the sentence from direct speech to indirect speech, we should obey some of the certain rules. Okay, let's have a quick look to know exactly about this sentence. Okay, or we should accustom word by word. Okay, so listen. The boy said to her, you must return my book today. It is remained in the form of a direct speech. Okay, this sentence tells the exact words of the speaker are quoted. Okay, so this part of the sentence is called reporting verb. This part of the sentence is called reported speech. Here is reporting verb, then this part is called reported speech. Okay, so before doing this, we should accustom or find out what the speaker and the listener. If we find out or if we accustom about the speaker and the listener, then automatically it will be very easy for us to change and to get an adequate sentence in our answer, means in indirect speech. Okay, so the boy is here the listener, sorry, the speaker, and you is called as the listener. Okay, after it we should find out where are the pronouns in this sentence. Her is a pronoun here one, then my is another, number 2 pronoun. So her is referred to what? The listener, and my refers to the speaker, the boy. Okay, so it will be very easy, okay, to get change. So before it also we should study another thing inside the sentence. When we change this sentence, then reporting verb cannot be changed, it will be unchanged. Okay, so comma will be removed and a inverted comma will be removed. Okay, in place of comma we should add the conjunction that. When we write what? The indirect speech from direct speech, and to combine 2 sentences at a time to get it one. Okay, so after it we should know about the tense portion, tense pattern. Okay, this sentence is remained particularly in the future form, like shall, will, would, may, might, can, could. Okay, if we find, already told to you students, if we find 2 verbs or 3 verbs in the sentence, first verb will be changed, second verb and third verb will be unchanged. Okay, so another form will be changes also, the time or place. Here is given the time, and also we find place, then automatically it will be changed when we change from direct speech to indirect speech. Okay, and try to change the boy said to changed here the, sorry, told. Okay, then the boy told her. Here is the boy is called the speaker and her is called the listener, that is the conjunction. Then according to listener, you is changed into she. Okay, here changed into she, you is called as she because the pronoun is indicated here about the pronoun you. So in place of you I take here she. Okay, then must is as it is. Okay, or had to will be also taken. Okay, in place of must, then return, then my changed according to the speaker his, then book, and today will be changed into that day. Okay, see here the answer in indirect speech from direct speech. Okay, as we talk about the rules in reported speech, let me show you the certain tables which will support you to understand how particular words are changed in indirect speech. For example, if we find the words in the form of a direct speech, when we change into indirect speech, what will be the form of them? Okay, see and listen also. Is or are or am will be converted into was, were in indirect speech. Was, were becomes had been. Has or have becomes had. Present simple is converted into past simple in indirect speech. For example, play or plays becomes played. Do or does not play becomes did not play. Present continuous is converted into past continuous. For example, is, are, am playing becomes was, were playing. Present perfect is converted into past perfect. For example, has or have played becomes had played. Present perfect continuous converted into past perfect continuous. For example, has or have been playing becomes had been playing. Past simple changes into past perfect. For example, played or did not play becomes had played or had not played. Past continuous changes into past perfect continuous. For example, was or were playing becomes had been playing. In modals also we can find changes. Will be converted into would, shall, should, can, could, may, might, must, or we can write in place of must had to. Okay, so other changes in time. Now becomes then, tomorrow becomes the next day or the following day, last night becomes the previous night or the night before, later becomes after, the day after tomorrow becomes in 2 days time, today or tonight becomes that day or that night, yesterday becomes the previous day or the day before, thus turns into so, ago will be before, just will be then, at present will be at that time, next week will be the following week. Also we can find the changes in pronouns. According to the speaker or listener we can change. So listen, I becomes he or she, me becomes him or her, my becomes his or her, mine becomes his or hers, we or us becomes they or them, our or ours becomes their or theirs, you becomes he or she or they, you becomes him or her or them, your becomes his or her or their, yours becomes his or hers or theirs. Students, generally we can find the questions from 4 sentences of a simple sentence. One is a declarative sentence or affirmative sentence. Number 2 is interrogative sentence. Number 3 is imperative sentence. Number 4 is exclamatory sentence. Okay, already I have made 4 videos for each sentence in the form of reported speech, how to change the questions from direct speech to indirect speech. Okay, in this class we are going to learn about declarative sentence. In other classes you can find other sentences, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence, exclamatory sentence in the form of a reported speech. Okay, so see here how I will compare the sentences. See here, number 1, he says I eat rice. He says I eat rice. So first we should recognize the words in the sentences, in the sentence. Okay, first sentence divided into 2 parts in direct speech. One is a reporting verb and another is a reported speech. Okay, so here this part is called a reporting verb, this part is called a reported speech. Okay, when we change from one form to another form, in this case we have to change something. Okay, in the direct speech to change into indirect speech. Okay, so first we should see which tense is remained the reporting verb. So here is remained in present simple, means subject plus verb 1. Okay, so comma will be removed when we write the indirect speech. So in place of comma will be required that as the conjunction. Then subject will be taken according to the speaker. The speaker is here he, so I, the pronoun is referred to what, he. So according to he, here will be taken he in place of I when we write the answer in indirect speech. Okay, then the trick is built here, subject plus verb 1 plus that as the conjunction plus subject then verb 1. Okay, so according to this trick we can write the answer easily in indirect speech. So in this sense that he says that he eats rice, the answer of this question. You see, he is here, then says, then that will be the conjunction. Okay, that is here the conjunction. Then I, the pronoun is changed according to the speaker, he. Okay, then eats according to the third person singular he, so s is added after the verb. Okay, so then rice. Okay, here is completed the first question. You see the second question. Okay, so second question is said here that he will say I write a letter, equivalent to the first question. Okay, so see here subject is mentioned here, one of the modals, then verb 1, then that will be the conjunction, then subject, then verb 1. Okay, according to this trick also we can make the answer in indirect speech in this process, that he will then say, that is the conjunction, then I change into he according to the speaker, in the beginning speaker he, so then writes according to the third person singular he, so s is added after the verb, then a letter. Okay, is completed the second sentence. Next one, third. Okay, you see here what is the sentence. Okay, what is the question. He said I make these toys. Okay, so this sentence or number 3 is not equivalent to question number 1 and 2, it is different. Okay, so see how. So here subject plus verb 2, then that will be the conjunction, then subject, then verb 2 is required according to the reporting verb. So according to this trick I can make here the answer. So he said, then that is the conjunction after removing the comma. Okay, then inverted comma will be removed. Okay, when we write in the indirect speech, so I change into he according to the speaker, which is remained in the beginning he, then make change into made, because subject plus verb 2, and in the reporting verb also mentioned subject plus verb 2 according to reporting verb. Okay, I changed here what, make into made. Okay, then these the time and place will be changed, already told to you when we change from direct speech to indirect speech. So these changed here, those, then toys. Okay, here is completed number 3. So hence the comparison among 3 questions. First you see in the form of a reported speech. Students, let's learn how to solve different types of questions according to the tense. Okay, basically on present simple in the form of a reported speech. Okay, one by one. So see here question number 1 has said here, okay, as the question, he said I do this work. Very easy question in the direct speech. Okay, it will be converted into what, a indirect speech. So see here he said, okay, I do this work. This sentence is remained in present simple. Okay, that means subject plus verb 1. Where we find, we can say that this sentence is remained in the form of a present simple. Okay, so here is the question in direct speech. He said I do this work. When we change, okay, some words will be also changed. Okay, so here will be written in indirect speech he said. Okay, so that is the conjunction after removing comma when we write but indirect speech from direct speech. Okay, I will be changed into he according to the speaker. The speaker is here in the beginning in the reporting verb he. So according to the speaker, I put here what he in place of I. Then do will be changed into did, because in reporting verb here is mentioned subject plus verb to. Okay, so already told to you about this trick. If we find one side or in reporting verb subject plus verb to, that will be the conjunction, then that will be the conjunction, then subject plus verb to will be required, okay, to get the answer according to this trick. Okay, so in indirect speech its answer was he said that he did this changed into that work. So here is the answer. You see, he said that he did that work. Okay, so question number 2. Only said to the beggar. Understood? I know you very well. Here is remained in direct speech. It will be converted into indirect speech. Okay, so only told, said to changed into told, but it is remained as it is, but to. Okay, so here was also but to in reporting verb. Reporting verb will be unchanged always. So only said to changed into told in indirect speech when we write the answer. Only said to the only told the beggar, that is the conjunction in place of comma when we arrange two sentences of a reporting verb and a reported speech to get it one in indirect speech. Okay, so I converted into he according to the speaker. Speaker is here only, so for only here is mentioned the pronoun. That means this pronoun refers to the speaker which is remained in the beginning of a reporting verb only. Okay, so according to only here is transferred the pronoun I into he. Then here is verb to. So according to verb to of a reporting verb, I also change, but I will change but a new no to new. Okay, so it is changed another form present simple to past simple. Okay, he knew, then you is particularly indicated to the listener, the beggar. So due to beggar, here is mentioned the another pronoun in place of you, him. Okay, so very well. So here is built the answer of this question number 2. See again, only said to the beggar, I know you very well. It was remained in direct speech, and it particularly reported speech is remained but present simple. When we convert from direct speech to indirect speech, in this case it will be converted into past simple. You see here, he knew. Okay, the answer was built here. Only told the beggar that he knew him very well. Okay, next one, question 3. You said to me, I don't think I can oblige you again in this way. Okay, so here the direct speech it will be converted into indirect speech. You see here, if we find said to in reporting verb in this case, so it will be turned into told when we write indirect speech. Okay, or our answer in this form. So that is the conjunction already told to you many times. Okay, you remember when we write the indirect speech or convert from direct speech to indirect speech, comma will be removed. In place of comma, that will be connected. Okay, then I is indicated the pronoun or refers to the speaker you. Okay, I is refer you the speaker. Okay, so due to I, so in place of I also should write you in place of pronoun I. Okay, according to the speaker you. Okay, then do not convert it into did not, because this side you see in reporting verb told is mentioned, means subject plus verb to. If you find one side subject plus verb to, another side will be subject plus verb to. So don't will be converted into transferred into did not. Okay, so then think I already told, if we find two verbs, three verbs, then first verb will be changed, second verb will be unchanged. So think is unchanged here, think. Then I is here indicated again the speaker you. So due to speaker you, also I kept here, I have kept here you in place of I when I write the indirect speech or its answer. Okay, so I is converted here you. Then again another modal in the present form, can is changed into could, then oblige, okay, will be remained same. Then me, okay, in place of you, okay, according to the speaker is also mentioned here. No, according to the listener, okay, as according to the listener me, okay, here is mentioned me, okay, again in that way. Okay, again see how the answer was extracted. You said to me, here is the speaker you, me is the listener. Okay, so I the pronoun refers to the speaker you. So in place of I, where we find, okay, in the reported speech, when we change from direct speech to indirect speech, in our indirect speech as the answer, we should mention the pronoun in place of I, you. Okay, here is the listener me. For the listener, you is remained as the pronoun. So if we find you, when we convert from direct speech to indirect speech, in this case in place of you, according to the listener, I mentioned me. Okay, so the answer is built wisely or with a perfect manner, that you told me that you did not think you could oblige me again in that way. So this changed into that, in that way. Okay, here is a completed question number 3. Next one 4. You see, he said, subject plus verb 2. So another side will be subject plus verb 2. Okay, that will be the conjunction. That will be the conjunction. So according to this trick, we can solve easily how to transfer from one form to another form, means direct speech to indirect speech. So he said that, that is the conjunction between two sentences of a reporting verb and a reported speech, or after removing comma in place of it, I put here that. So my is a my mother. Okay, my is a referred to the speaker he. According to the speaker he, so I mentioned here his mother, then is converted into was, then ill. Okay, it's completed. Such questions with answers in the form of a reported speech, basically on present simple. Okay, see. Let's have a look how to solve another questions in the tense form of a present continuous. Okay, to change from direct speech to indirect speech. Okay, here is given the sentence in the reported speech of this sentence. Okay, so I am playing violin now. So this sentence is remained in the tense form of a present continuous. Present continuous means subject plus ijamar, one of three will be required according to the subject. So am is used here. So subject plus ijamar plus verb 1 ing form. If we find the structure, then we can say that this sentence is remained in the form of a present continuous. Okay, so now come to solve this sentence. He said, here is he, then said. Okay, so this sentence is divided into two parts. Already told to you, if you find in the direct speech, okay, generally each sentence is divided into two parts. One side is reporting verb, another side is reported speech. Okay, so reporting verb is remained subject plus verb 2. Okay, another side is present continuous. Automatically it will be changed into past continuous, but we should not require, okay, to remember that present structure is that and how to change this sentence according to the past structure, not necessary. If you remember only one side of the reporting verb, if subject plus verb 2, then another side will be subject plus verb 2. That will be the conjunction. At that time comma will be removed. Okay, in place of comma, that will be required as the conjunction when we arrange both of the sentences of a reporting verb and a reported speech. Okay, at that time that is very necessary to combine. Okay, and to get it one or to get it one, so subject plus verb 2 this side is remained and another side will be subject plus verb 2. Here is a two verbs, you see here am and playing. First verb will be changed, second verb will be unchanged. So first verb is here am, so am will be changed into according to the structure verb 2. So its verb 2 form is was. Okay, playing will be constant. Okay, then others violin will be constant, then now will be changed into then. So what will the answer you see here? Here is he, then said, then that is the conjunction in place of a comma. After removing it, then I will be changed into he. I is mentioned here according to the speaker he, so I in place of I put here he, then am changed into was because here is verb 2, so the structure is built also subject plus verb 2 plus that plus subject plus verb 2, then he I changed into he, then am changed into was, then playing is taken constant. Okay, then violin now changed into then. Okay, so here is the answer in indirect speech. You see here he said that he was playing violin then. Next one, Naresh said to Rita, you are not coming to school these days. Okay, so first we should get focus about the speaker, then the listener. Okay, then the pronouns. Okay, in the reporting verb here Ramesh said to Rita, reporting verb in this case Naresh is the speaker. Okay, Rita is the listener. Okay, so in the next sentence reported speech, okay, pronouns are given there, so you is mentioned for the listener Rita. Okay, so here will be built, you see here Naresh said to Rita, said to will be changed into told, another form of a said. Okay, then that is the conjunction in place of comma, then inverted comma will be removed. So according to Rita the listener, in place of you I put here C. Okay, then are changed into was because this side is remained subject plus verb 2, then that will be the conjunction, then subject plus verb 2. Automatically this sentence present continuous will be changed into past continuous. Okay, so if you follow this trick or side of what this reported speech, okay, sorry, reporting verb, that means subject plus verb 2. If we find one side, then another side will be subject plus verb 2. Then in this sense I arrange here the answer in the indirect speech. Naresh told Rita that you changed into C, according to the listener Rita C, then are changed into was, according to the subject she was. Okay, another form of past tense, then not is as it is. Okay, then coming changed into going. Okay, if we find in the direct speech coming, then this verb will be changed into indirect speech going. Okay, then to school, then these is changed into those, then days. Okay, you see here two questions are given in present continuous in the form of a reported speech to change direct speech to indirect speech. Okay, you see. Let's have a look how to solve another sentences. Okay, in the form of a reported speech, finding the tense form in present perfect of a reported speech of this sentence. See here the question. Ranjan said to me, you have insulted my brother. Okay, so this sentence also is divided into two parts. One is a reporting verb, another side is a reported speech. Okay, so reporting verb is remained subject plus verb 2. One side already we find. Okay, then another side reported speech here, you have insulted my brother, is remained in the tense form of a present perfect, means subject plus has or have plus verb 3. Okay, according to the subject will be taken, but has or have. So if we find this structure, then we can say that this sentence is remained in the form of a present perfect. If you do not to remember or to transfer the sentence according to the tense pattern, then another side also we can change. If you find reporting verb is in subject plus verb 2, then that will be the conjunction, then subject plus verb 2 another side will be required, okay, to change. Okay, so see here how the answer will be taken. Ranjan, then said to in place of said to I put here told, then me. Okay, so that is the conjunction in place of the comma. So you is changed into I, because you is the pronoun is remained or referred to the listener here, me. Ranjan is the speaker, then me is the listener. Okay, according to the listener, so you is changed into I. So how is changed into second form according to the trick or to the past perfect tense, okay, which is changed when we write the indirect speech from change from direct speech to indirect speech. Okay, so you is changed into I, then have changed into heard, then insulted. Already told to you, if we find two verbs, then first verb will be changed, second verb will be unchanged. Okay, I kept here in this condition in constant mode. Okay, I had insulted. Okay, so my is remained particular, the pronoun is referred to the speaker Ranjan. According to the speaker, I mentioned in place of my his, so brother is completed. The answer is here. Ranjan told me that I had insulted his brother. Okay, then next one, Mrinal said to me, you have not invited me to your birthday. Okay, so Mrinal said to me is remained here subject plus verb 2. Okay, another side the sentence is in the form of a present perfect, because so subject has a one according to the subject you, okay, then verb 3. So this sentence is remained present perfect, it will be changed into past perfect automatically. It will be if you accept the rule subject plus verb 2, that is the conjunction, then subject plus verb 2. Okay, so see here Mrinal in place of said to I put here told, then me, then that is the conjunction, then you changed into I, because you the pronoun is referred here to the listener, me. Okay, so due to listener I put here in place of you in our answer I, then have changed into had, then not, then constant the main verb invited, then me is changed according to what? According to the speaker Mrinal. Okay, due to speaker, okay, I put there in place of me what? Him. Okay, then to your birthday in place of you I put here my, because your is mentioned, but the pronoun for the listener me. Okay, due to this I put here mine. So the answer was built here. What? Mrinal told me that I had not invited him to my birthday. Okay, so next one, they said we have done our duty, also remained the reporting verb subject plus verb 2. So that will be conjunction, then subject, then verb 2. Okay, you see here they is the listener, due to listener, so they is the speaker, due to speaker you the pronoun is referred to the speaker. Okay, so also our here the another pronoun is referred for the speaker they. So due to this also we will change when we write indirect speech. Okay, you see here they said, that is the conjunction in place of comma, then we changed into they according to the speaker. So they then have changed into another form of a verb to had, then done then there is taken but in place of our according to the speaker. So our duty. The answer is here. They said that they had done their duty. They then said, then that is the conjunction, then we change into they, then have change into had, then done, then our change into their according to the speaker. Duty is completed. Next one. The patient said, I have been running a temperature since last night. This sentence of a reported speech of this sentence, okay, it remained in present perfect continuous, means subject plus has or have according to the subject, then been, then for one ing form, means present perfect continuous. Okay, this sentence is remained. Okay, if we apply the trick according to the reporting verb, then automatically it will be changed and it will be the form of another tense, means past perfect continuous. Automatically it will be changed. Okay, if we kept in our mind the trick which will be mentioned here, you see subject plus verb to, that is the conjunction, then subject plus verb to. Okay, so here will be answer. You see the patient then say, that is the conjunction in place of comma. Okay, I change into he according to the speaker, the patient. Okay, in place of I put here he, then have change into her. Others are constant. Already told to you, if you find 2 or 3 verbs, then first verb will be changed, second, third verb will be constant. Here is mentioned constant. Okay, so been, running, then a temperature, then since, the time will be changed here, last night will be changed into the previous night. Okay, here is completed the sentences with the answers. You see, let's see how to solve another questions. Okay, if we find in the tense of a past simple. Okay, so see here, first one, he said, okay, I collected these pebbles at the seashore. Okay, such reported speech is remained in the tense form of a past simple. Okay, in subject plus verb to, means past simple. Okay, if we find past simple, it will be changed into past perfect, means subject plus had plus verb 3 will be required at the time of changing the sentence from direct speech to indirect speech. That means if you find the reported speech in the form of a tense form of a past simple, means subject plus verb 2, it will be converted into subject plus had plus verb 3, means past perfect tense. Okay, so answer is here, subject he, then said, that is the conjunction in place of comma. I changed into according to the speaker he, then collected means had collected. Here is a past simple, it will be converted into past perfect tense, means subject in this structure it will be remained. Okay, it should be remained subject had verb 3, then he had collected, then these changed into those. Okay, then pebbles, then at the seashore. Here is a completed the answer of a first one question. He said, I collected these pebbles at the seashore. The answer was in indirect speech. He said that he had collected those pebbles at the seashore. Okay, next one. Ravi said to me, you didn't invite me to your birthday. Okay, so here is a mention did not, means subject plus verb 2. If we remove did not, then automatically it will be changed into invited. That means subject plus verb 2. This sentence is remained in the form of a past simple. Already told to you, if we find subject plus verb 2 or past simple, it will be converted in our indirect speech when we write the answer. Then subject plus had plus verb 3. Okay, come to write the answer. So here is Ravi, then said to, changed into told. Okay, me, then that is the conjunction, then you is the pronoun, refers to I, the listener. According to I put here in place of you, yeah, I. Okay, I then did not changed into had not, invited. Okay, so the tense form was changed and taken here. I had not invited, me changed into him according to Ravi. Okay, me is mentioned here, but the pronoun for the the speaker Ravi, so I put here him in place of me. Then to your birthday, your is mentioned the pronoun for the listener you, so due to you the listener I put there what my birthday. So the answer was built wisely here. Ravi told me that I had not invited him to my birthday. Okay, next one. He said my mother was ill. Very easy question. He is here, then said, then that is the conjunction. My changed into his according to the speaker here. He, okay, his mother, then was means bhattu. Okay, subject plus bhattu is mentioned here. So if we find, already told to you, subject plus bhattu or past simple, okay, it will be changed into past perfect. Past perfect means subject plus had plus verb 3. In this structure we should keep the sentence, then automatically answer will be built. He said that his mother, okay, changed into from my mother to his mother, then had, then verb 3 form of was is been. Okay, then ill is a constant. So answer was built. He said that his mother had been ill. Next one. Okay, you see here, Abhishek said to the beggar, I knew you very well. Okay, so here Abhishek is mentioned, then set in place of said to I put here told, then the beggar, that is the conjunction after removing comma, then I change into he according to what? The speaker Abhishek. Okay, I change into he, then new bhattu will be turned into subject plus had plus verb 3, then had has kept here, has been kept here. So then known, new third form known. Okay, you is mentioned here for the listener the beggar. So due to beggar I put here him in place of you, then very, then well. Okay, so here is built the answer. Abhishek told the beggar that he had known him very well. Okay, another sentence which is very exceptional. Okay, so you see here, if we find double side in the reported speech, subject plus verb 2, subject plus verb 2, another side subject plus verb 2 in the same sentence. Okay, in this case the sentence will be unchanged. Okay, so you can write the answer in this manner what I told to you. He said that everybody stood up when the chief guest arrived. Here in this case the past simple was not transferred into past perfect, because in one sentence of a reported speech we find what two subject plus verb 2, subject plus verb 2, then subject plus verb 2. In this case the sentence will be unchanged, that will be the conjunction when we write the answer. Okay, you see, let's learn the students. Okay, if we find the sentences in the form of a past continuous tense in the reported speech, how we can convert. Okay, so see here, first one, he said I was playing the violin every morning last year. Okay, so this sentence is remained in the form of a past continuous tense. Okay, past continuous means subject plus was or were plus verb 1 ing form. This sentence is made, you see here, subject was were 1 according to the subject, then verb 1 ing form. Then we can say that this sentence is remained in the past continuous tense. Okay, if we find past continuous tense, then it will be converted okay, into past perfect continuous, such as subject plus had plus been plus verb 1 ing verb. Okay, so when we write the answer in indirect speech, okay, you see here, he changed into he, then said, then that is the conjunction in place of a comma. Okay, then I was playing changed into he had been playing. Okay, he is kept here according to the speaker he. So he had been playing the violin every morning. The previous year is changed from last year. Okay, last year is changed there. Okay, but the previous year. The answer is built here from the question. You see, he said, I was playing the violin every morning last year. He said that, I changed into he, then tense which was changed past continuous to past perfect tense. So he had been playing the violin every morning. Last year is changed here the previous year. Okay, next one. He said, she was drawing these pictures. Very easy question, okay, to solve. So you see here, this sentence is remained in the tense form of a past continuous, already told to you. If we find past continuous tense or subject plus was were plus verb 1 ing form, it will be changed into another form of tense as a past perfect continuous. Means we can get structure in our as the answer in the form of indirect speech, subject plus had plus been plus verb 1 ing form. Then you see here, he said that she had been, okay, drawing these changed into those pictures. So here is the question. You see, he said she was drawing these pictures. So he changed into he, then said, then that is the conjunction in place of comma. Then she had been drawing, because this form of the tense past continuous was changed into past perfect continuous. She had been drawing, then these changed into those, then pictures. Okay, completed. Here two sentences, okay, were remained in the form of a past continuous. Now we are going to solve the questions. Which questions, okay, what reported speech is remained in the form of a past perfect tense. You see here, Ankit said to me, you had insulted my brother. This sentence is remained in the form of a past perfect tense. Past perfect. The structure is subject plus had plus verb 3. You see here, the structure is remained in this form. What I wrote here, subject you, then had insulted. We confirm that this sentence of reported speech is remained in the tense form of a past perfect as subject plus had plus verb 3. If we find past perfect or subject plus had plus verb 3 in our answer, when we convert this sentence from direct speech to indirect speech, it will be constant or unchanged. You see here, Ankit, then said to change into told, then me, comma is vanished here, then that is put, okay, you change into I according to what? The listener, okay. So I is put here, then had, then insulted, then my brother changed into my is what I referred Ankit. So due to Ankit, I kept here his brother. So you see here, question first, Ankit said to me, you had insulted my brother. So Ankit, in answer, Ankit told me that, you change into I according to the listener, then had insulted, means this portion of a tense was a constant, already told to you. If we find past perfect, it will be constant, okay. There will be no change of the tense, okay, when we change from indirect speech to direct speech, okay. So I had insulted his brother, my is changed according to the speaker Ankit, okay, completed. See last one. Mita said to me, I had posted the letter last week. Same question, and this sentence of a reported speech is remained with the sense of a past perfect. It will be constant when we write the answer in indirect speech and changing from direct speech to indirect speech. Okay, Mita told me that I changed into she according to the speaker. So she had posted, constant the tense form, then the later the time was changed, last week changed into the previous week. You see here the sentences. Again students, a few questions will be solved, okay, which we find in the tense of a future in the form of a reported speech. Okay, so here is the question. The children said we can go to Afghar tomorrow. Okay, in this sentence we find here reporting verb and a reported speech. Okay, so reporting verb is remained subject plus verb 2. Okay, so that will be the conjunction, then subject plus verb 2 will be required. Here is built the trick. Okay, and another way also we can change. If we find modals, means shall, should, will, would, may, might, can, could. Okay, so if we find must, then it will be changed into had to or must. Okay, or we can change the sentence according to this trick, because this sentence reporting verb is remained in the form of a past simple, means subject plus verb 2. Okay, if we find subject plus verb 2, it will be changed according to what a subject plus verb 2, another side will be subject plus verb 2, that will be the conjunction. Okay, so we see here answer. So the children is mentioned here, then said, then we, that will be the conjunction in place of comma. Okay, when we change indirect speech from direct speech, then in this case we should obey the rules. Okay, that the comma and inverted comma will be removed. Okay, in place of comma we put, okay, that, then we will be changed into they according to the speaker here, the children speaker. So in place of we, I wrote there, they. Okay, in place of we, then can change into could. Already told to you, if we find 2 verbs, 3 verbs, so first verb will be changed. Here was changed. Okay, can, could, then go in constant. Okay, Afghar, the time will be changed again. Tomorrow will be changed into the next day. Okay, so first one is completed. Next one, you see, Tushar said to me, you will have insulted my brother. So Tushar said to me also equivalent to the first question. Tushar subject, then said to verb 2. Okay, so then that will be the conjunction, then subject plus verb 2. By the help of this formula, we can change this sentence into what indirect speech from direct speech. You see here, Tushar said to is changed into told, then me, then that is used in place of a comma as the conjunction. Okay, you changed here I according to the listener. Listener here me. Okay, the speaker is here Tushar. Okay, Tushar is the speaker, me is the listener. The pronoun you, okay, is taken or referred to the listener me. So due to me, I kept here in indirect speech when I write the answer in place of you, I. Okay, according to directly me. Okay, so we will change it into would, then have insulted will be constant. Okay, so my brother, my is used here for the speaker Tushar. So my is changed here his, then brother. Okay, here is build the answer from the question. Tushar said to me, you will have insulted my brother. The answer in indirect speech, okay, Tushar told me that I would have insulted his brother. Okay, so next one, he said she will be watching TV. He is here, then said, in place of comma I put here that, she another listener, here the speaker he. Okay, here the speaker he, then listener, she is the listener, then she is used here in indirect speech, then will change into would, then be watching TV. Okay, others are constant. Okay, then see the last one. The teacher said to me, the teacher said to me, you must work hard for your exam. Okay, the teacher is mentioned, then said to is changed into told, me is constant, then that is used in the place of comma, then you. Here the pronoun is referred to the listener, here listener me, okay, due to me, okay, I mentioned here, but I in place of you, due to the listener me, here is the speaker the teacher, then me is the listener, due to listener this pronoun is used, so in place of you I put here I, so must in place of must already told to you, if we find what the modal must had to will be used in the indirect speech or same form must will be also taken, so I had to or must work hard for, your is mentioned for the listener me, so due to me I mentioned here my, okay, so my exam, okay. The answer is built here from the question, the teacher said to me you must work hard, okay, for your exam. So the answer was in indirect speech, the teacher told me that I had to work hard for my exam. Here is completed. You see, students, some questions are generally we find in the form of a reported speech, okay, when we change from direct speech to indirect speech, such questions are not changed. If we find the sense as general truth, universal truth, scientific truth, laws of nature, historical event, geographical fact, permanent action, imaginary action, news reporting or habitual truth, okay. So see here one by one how the sentences are remained in which form with the sense of a what. You see here, he said flies are the carrier of disease. Here is remained the sentence in general truth, so answer will be same, that will be the conjunction, okay. He said that flies are the carrier of a disease, okay. Another sentence, the teacher said the earth moves around the sun, so here the sentence is remained universal truth, okay, will be same, that will be the conjunction, okay, others will be constant. Then another sentence, he said water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. This sentence is remained in the form of a scientific truth, okay, also the sentence will be constant, okay, that will be the conjunction, okay. You see here, he said that water boils at 100 degrees Celsius, okay. Another sentence, you see, he said water flows downward, so this sentence in the sense of a law of nature, that means the sentence will be constant when we write any answer in the indirect speech from direct speech, okay. He said that water flows downward. Next one, the teacher said the Second World War broke out in 1939. It is the sentence of a historical event, so also this sentence will be constant. You see here, okay. So answer will be the teacher said that the Second World War broke out in 1939, okay. So another sentence, you see here, he said the Himalayas lies to the north of India. It is the sense of a geographical fact, okay. The answer will be, he said that the Himalayas lies to the north of India, okay. Another question, you see, he said Delhi stands on the Yamuna. That means this sentence is remained in permanent location, so the sentence cannot be changed, okay. In indirect speech only that will be added to connect both the sentences of a reporting verb and a reported speech, okay. Here will be the answer, but he said that Delhi stands on the Yamuna, okay. Another question, you see, he said if I were a bird, that means imaginary action, not possible for anyone to be the bird. In this case, when I change the pronoun I into he in indirect speech, then after he where will be required, because it is imaginary thinking, imaginary action, so after he we can put where, because it is impossible to be a person to be a bird, okay. So in this case, okay, he takes where after it in place of was. You see here, what will be the answer? He said that if he wear a bird, not watch a bird. Okay, he wear a bird, because it is impossible thinking. In this case, after he we can put wear. Okay, so another question, last one. The reporter said 10 people died in the accident. It is news reporting. It's very true. Okay, we can find in the newspaper, media, anywhere. Okay, so in this case, the sentence will be constant, and that will be the conjunction between two sentences, reporting verb and reported speech in indirect speech. Here is a completed, students, part 1 video on declarative sentence, including positive or affirmative, negative. You can find, okay, another sentences in next videos. Okay, you see. Thanks.